In this video we're gonna simply break down the watermelon from this 3D animation. First of all, I learned this 3D material from Levi Megani, so if you need the full tutorial, you can watch his tutorial, link in the description. Base mesh. Actually you only need this base mesh. You can make it from default cube with simple edit, and from this base mesh you need to make another part such as materials. You can follow this node with blend mode alpha clip and shadow mode opaque. Outline. You only need to add another material under the main material, change it to emissive, choose color and turn on the backface culling. Add solidify modifier to the object. Change the normal to flip and set your material offset to the outline material. Another outline. Copy the object, add wireframe modifier, and follow this node with blend mode alpha clip and shadow mode opaque. Seeds. It's just a simple plane with some adjustment, black emission material and white emission outline. Animation. The animation is very simple, you just need to parent all seeds to the main object. Add keyframe to the main object's rotation to 0 at the first frame, and 360 at the +1 last frame so it's loop. Link animation to the remaining object. That's all, thank you.